Okay.
Good day everyone. We're going to solve the support position in Kirchhoff method. This is our diagram. We have I1, 1 ampere, and our I2 is our I1 is 2 ohms, and our I2 is 5 ohms, our I3 is 10 ohms. Our voltage 1 is 12 volts, our voltage 2 is 24 volts, and our lastly our RL is 4 ohms. First we're going to solve the case 1. Our case 1 is we have our I1 2 ohms, I2 5 ohms, I3 10 ohms, and our RL is 4 ohms. First, we're going to get the R total. We have our total is 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL raised to negative 1. You put the value of I and inverse negative 1 is equal to 20 over 9 ohms or 2.22 ohms. Second, we're going to get the R total and R1 plus R total. This is our series method. 2 plus our R1 is 2 and our R total is 2.22 is equal to 4.22 ohms. We're going to get the voltage total plus I1 times I total. This our I1 is 1 ampere times 20 over 9 is equals to 2.22 voltage. And lastly is we're going to get the ampere and I2, I3, IL. Our I2 is volt total over R2 is equals to 2.22 over 5 is equals to 0.444 ampere. Our I3 is plus volt total over R3 is equals to 2.22 over 10 is equals to 0.222 ampere. And our IL is V total over RL. Our V total is 2.22 over our RL is 4 equals to 0.555 ampere. This is our case 2. We're going to solve the third circuit. We're going to get the R3M equals to 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL inverse negative 1. We're going to substitute the value of R3 is 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4. This is inverse negative 1 is equal to 20 over 7 ohms or 2.86 ohms. We're going to get the R total is equals to 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3L over inverse negative 1. We're going to substitute the value of R2 and R3L. So the R2 is 1 over 3 and our RTL is plus 7 over 50 inverse negative 1 is plus 20 over 11 or 120 ohms. Again, we're going to get the IV because formula is V1 over R total plus 12 volts over 20 over 11 is equals to 66 over 80 or 3.3 ampere. Then we're going to get the I2. The formula of I2 is equals to IV1 times R3L over R2 plus R3L is equal. I'm going to input the value of this. It's equals to 3.3 ampere over plus parenthesis 20.7 ohms over 5 ohms plus 2 over 7 ohms is equals to 1.98 ampere. And I3L, I3 is equals to IV1 minus I2. So we're going to input the value of IV1 and I2 is equals to 3.3 ampere minus 1.98 ampere is equals to 1.32 ampere. We're going to get the IP. We have our formula IP1 times RL over R3 plus RL equals to 1 our when they put the value of I3L is 1.32 times our RL is 4 over our R3 is 10 and plus our RL is 4 equals to 0.38 ampere. And lastly, we're going to get the IL. Formula ng IL is I3L times R3 over R3 plus RL. When they put the value of I3L is 1.32 times our R3 is 10 or R3 plus RL. So our R2 is 10 plus 4 is 14. In our 14 was 0.94 ampere. So our base we're going to solve the Kirchhoff's law. First we're going to solve the RTL is equals to 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL inverse negative 1. So we're going to input the value of R3 and RL. So 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4 inverse negative 1 is equals to 20 over 7 ohms. We're going to solve the RT. RT is equals to R2 plus R2L is equals to 5 plus 20 over 7 is equals to 55 over 7 ohms. So IBL is equals to P2 over RT is equals to 24 over 55 over 7 is equals to 168 over 55 is equals to 3.05 ohms. So our